Here's an overview of the Express Entry program and the different categories that fall under Express Entry. So, what is the Express Entry program? The Express Entry program allows foreign skilled workers to apply for permanent residence in Canada under certain types of economic programs. The Express Entry program has helped to process applications more quickly and streamline the application process. There are 3 programs managed through Express Entry: the Federal Skilled Trades class, the Federal Skilled Worker program, and the Canadian Experience class. Each program has its own requirements. If you are eligible for one of the programs, you can also apply for the Provincial Nomination Program. As an Express Entry candidate, your qualifications are assessed based on your ability to benefit the Canadian economy and become economically established in Canada. Each applicant is placed in the Express Entry pool and ranked against other candidates. All candidates are ranked based on their ability to speak English or French, their work experience, and level of education. The number of points you have is referred to as your Comprehensive Ranking System, or CRS score. IRCC draws candidates from the pool every few weeks. Those with the highest scores will receive an invitation to apply for permanent residence. So, who should apply for Express Entry? The Express Entry program provides a pathway to permanent residence for skilled workers living in Canada or overseas. The program targets applicants who can benefit the Canadian economy and who possess skills that are transferable to working in Canada. Let's discuss the different categories of Express Entry in more detail. The first category is the Canadian Experience class. To qualify under this category, you must have obtained at least 1 year of full-time skilled work experience in Canada within the last 3 years. Full-time work experience is considered at least 30 hours per week. You must also show French or English language skills commensurate with your level of work experience. There are hundreds of occupations that are considered skilled by immigration authorities, but generally speaking, skilled work is work that requires some type of special training or education in order to perform. The next category is the Federal Skilled Workers class. The Federal Skilled Worker program allows those who have at least 1 year of skilled work experience to apply for permanent residence in Canada. Under this program, applicants must meet minimum levels of education, French or English language speaking skills, and work experience. Applicants are also awarded points based on their age, adaptability to live in Canada, and whether they have a valid job offer. Skilled worker applicants must also show that they have sufficient funds to settle in Canada. The next category is the Federal Skilled Trades program. The Federal Skilled Trades program allows those working in the trades industry to work in Canada and settle in Canada under permanent resident visas. Applicants under the Skilled Trades category must have at least 2 years of full-time work experience in their trade within the last 5 years. Applicants must also either have a certificate of qualification, be working in Canada in their trade, or have a valid job offer in Canada in their trade. Earlier, we mentioned the Provincial Nomination Program. While Canada's immigration program is generally run by the federal government, each province also has their own separate immigration stream with its own requirements. Through this program, the provinces can nominate those who wish to move to their province and who meet these specific criteria. These programs vary from province to province, but are generally directed at bringing in foreign skilled workers where there is a shortage of such workers in that province. Such a nomination can give a candidate an extra 600 points on their Express Entry profile, which would be extremely helpful to the applicant. The Law Office of Matthew Jeffrey specializes in Express Entry programs. Visit expressentryprogram.com to learn more about the Express Entry program and use our free CRS calculator.